Morning, dear students. Hope you all are keeping well. Today I am going to teach English language for standard 2 students. Lesson number 5. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. So all these words are known as pronoun. Now, what is pronoun? Or what do you mean by pronoun? Words which is used in place of noun is called pronoun. Noun is the name of any person, place, thing, animal, right? So all these words I, we, you, he, she, it, they are known as pronoun. Now I is used like when we are talking about our own self. For example, I like to eat ice cream. We is used to show a collective group of people, like Clara and I, we really enjoy ice cream. You is used for a person or person being addressed. Same way, he is used for male person, like father, brother, uncle. She is used for female person, like mother, aunt, sister. It is referred to non-living things or animals where the gender is not known. They is used when we are talking about more than one person, like Ram and Sita. So in place of Ram and Sita, we can use they. So you can see a few examples here. Sometimes we use a different word to take place of naming word. Example, Sunil is a policeman. Sunil wears a uniform. To make the second sentence sound better, we can replace Sunil with the word he. He is a pronoun. So we can replace Sunil in second sentence by he, as he is a male person, or he is referred to male person. Now read the sentence. Sunil is a policeman. He wears a uniform. The word he has taken the place of naming word Sunil. A. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Now, number 1. Charu, Alam and I were telling jokes. Dash laughed a lot. We laughed a lot. Number 2. Dash was late to class. The teacher gave me a lot of homework. I was late to class. Number 3. It is past your bedtime. Dash should sleep early. You should sleep early. Number 4. Anu has brown eyes. Dash also has curly hairs. She, because Anu is a girl. Salman drives a car. Dash drives dash very fast. He drives it very fast. It is used for car, non-living thing, right? He is used for Salman, male person. Karan and Venkat are taller than Summer. Dash is shorter than them. He is shorter than them. 7. Grandpa is looking for Kavya and Kanav. Where are dash? Where are they? This is Joy's book. Dash bought dash last week. He bought it last week. Number B. Rewrite the second sentence. Replace the underlined word with a suitable word. Number 1. Sita and I live in Chennai. Sita and I were born here. So, Sita and I live in Chennai. In place of this underlined word, we will replace Sita and I by the pronoun word we. We were born here. Number 2. Please give Eva his book. Eva had asked for this book. Please give Eva this book. She had asked for it. So Eva, instead of Eva, we have used here she. This book, it, because book is non-living thing, so we have replaced the book with pronoun it. Next, number 3. The teacher gave Radha and me a set of crayons. Radha and I used them to draw. The teacher gave Radha and me a set of crayons. We used them to draw. Number 4. The cup fell down and broke. The cup was my favorite cup. The cup fell down and broke. It was my favorite cup. Number 5. My name is Seema. Seema go to school in a rickshaw. My name is Seema. I go to school in a rickshaw. Number C. Rewrite the following sentences by changing the underlined words. Number 1. Akshay said that Akshay was sad. Akshay said that he was sad. Number 2. The teacher scolded Srijit because Srijit had come late to school. The teacher scolded Srijit because he had come late to school. Ali and Nadia told Rose that Ali and Nadia would go to the park in evening. Ali and Nadia told Rose that they would go to the park in the evening. I asked Vijay for a pen and Vijay gave the pen to me. I asked Vijay for a pen and he gave the pen to me. Deep, Mukesh and I went to the movies. Deep, Mukesh and I ate lots of popcorn. Deep, Mukesh and I went to the movie. We ate lots of popcorn. Now, fill in the blanks with correct words from the box. Words are I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Please see. Manav and I were going to the park. On our way, we met Sam and Simi. We started to talk and share jokes. On the way to the park was quite far from where we had started. It was at least 30 minutes away. We wanted to take bus, but Simi and Sam said that they did not have enough money. So we decided to keep on walking. They thanked us for being thoughtful and kind. We said that it was not a problem. Then we stopped to have ice cream. So students, you have to write all these in your grammar book. Thank you.